Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming this look with the James Charles X Morphe palette, and it's such a good palette, so keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Now that I'm primed, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay. Got the bubble wrap everything, trying to keep her safe. Okay, here she is. So beautiful. Wait, let me open her. Hey, what the heck? Okay. Oh, wait, okay. Boom. All these beautiful shades ready to be used by me. So today, I want to do like sort of like a green look, because I never do green looks because I never have green eyelids, but now I do, so let's get it. So with this fluffy brush, I'm going to start off with B, the yellow shade in the palette, which is this one here. Alright, now that she's there, that's that transition color, I'm going to go in ahead with 518, which is this orange shade right here. And with the same brush, I'm just going to put that a bit under where the yellow color is to create like a I don't know, like a gradient effect. There we go, vocab. All right, boom. Now with this medium blender brush, I'm taking in Social Blade, which is this green shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on this. Like what? I'm gonna apply that to like under where it was. Oh, there we go, that's green. I feel like a plant now, low-key. I feel like a plant. Now I'm just gonna like not really blend it too much, but just like dab it on. There we go. Boom. Now I'm gonna go in with Daddy, which is the darkest green shade. Bro, this one. And with the same brush, I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner. Oh, that's really pigmented. Wow. I look like a clown. Oh my gosh, that's so pigmented. I didn't expect that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in at the inner corner and just blend it here because I look like a clown. Going back in with this brush because I need to blend this all out. I'm gonna blend the top part here and this part here. I'm gonna fix this with concealer later because it's not going well. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the yellow shade, which is B, like on top, and the orange one. I'm gonna mix those together just so like the green is not like all the way. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut the crease and try to fix this under here because like I'm gonna just fix it at the end because whatever. Oh, I forgot to mention that I did my eyebrows and my face makeup off camera because it was just, yeah, it was just, yeah. So I'm using the Tape Shape Concealer and this No Name brush because I don't know where I put my concealer brush and it's so annoying. Alright, so I'm gonna do like a halo eye. I have not done a halo eye in a long time, so let's see how this works out for me. What am I doing? And you call yourself a beauty guru. Alright, so now I'm gonna set it with just like this random shade. So this one, I don't know the name. What is it? Tune. I like Facetune. Okay, I'm gonna set it with this one right here. So now that's set, I'm gonna go back in with this medium blender brush and go back in with the light green shade, which is Social Blade, and the dark green shade, which is Daddy, to like blend it evenly out. Now that she's blended right there with all those colors, I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush and go back in with the yellow and orange shade to make sure like I'm not forgetting about these colors because they're primary, you know. You feel, you dig. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with guac on the outer edges of the halo eye. So now I'm going to put wig. Oh my gosh. Now I'm just gonna add 518 to my lower lashes. Oh wait, should I add like a blue or a pink? Nah, pink is gonna be too. I'm gonna just add 518 to my lower lashes, which is this orange shade right here. Alright, now I'm just gonna fast forward and do this eye off camera. Alright, so now that I did my eyes, both my eyes, I'm put on these Tarte eyelashes in Heartbreaker. I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow because I didn't have any lipsticks for this look. But this is all. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun playing with these colors in the palette. I've never done a green look before, so I'm very happy with how this came out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!